Hey there, I'm Julia and I would love to welcome you to Fruehauf today. Here on our 67-acre site, we make 5 types of premium bulk tipping trailers. Behind me today, we have our #1 seller, the Sloper trailer. So at Fruehauf, we make 5 different types of bulk tipping trailers. We have the step frame, the sloper, the bathtub, the blower, and the half pipe. Behind me today, we have the sloper. Within a sloper, you carry your grain, your farm products, and you can carry aggregates if that's something you transport. It's called a sloping trailer because of how the body slopes downwards. This makes it so much easier when you are tipping product because all of the product already sits at the back, so when you're ready to lift it up and tip, it will easily fall out. The floor of the trailer is 6mm throughout the whole body, except towards the back where it's 8mm. This is so throughout the years, your trailer will last longer without needing the floor replaced. We want to make sure that no matter how much you want to use your trailer and how long you want to have it, that it will last as long as possible. One of the key things about Fruehauf is we make all of our products really simple and easy for the operators. There's lots of lovely little features about this trailer. For example, we have our little QR codes at the bottom, so whether you're on the road or not on the road, you can always access our website, our parts, our warranty, and you can register your trailer with us. Underneath, we have a nice compact ladder that stays out of the way. We have your nut indicators, which make sure your trailer stays as safe as possible so you can indicate when one of your nuts moves. Depending on what you need, we can customise your trailer to your spec. If you need a manual sheet, an automatic sheet, if you want to have certain features that you don't think a normal trailer company will be able to provide, we can see how we can cater to your needs and provide the trailer that you'll need to complete your jobs. We do all of our paintwork here at Grantham and make sure we go through key stages throughout the painting process to get the best coat possible for longevity and making sure you get the life out of the trailer that you deserve. On top of the paint, you can see behind me, this lovely Frontier trailer also has custom sign writing on it. Here at Grantham, on our own site, we have a custom livery shed where we can make any trailer match your brand image, so on the roads, everyone can understand that it's you and you mean business. When you do buy a Fruehauf trailer, you're dealing direct with us, meaning we can handle your warranty claims, we can handle any problems you face on the road, and we have our own genuine parts section, so you can buy our own Fruehauf genuine parts if you ever face a problem. If you are looking for a Fruehauf trailer today, you can visit our website, which will be in the link below. We'll have some of our trailers on show at Cereals 2026, so come pay our stand a visit and you'll be able to see this amazing piece of British engineering.